Hey guys, welcome back to my channel once again. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer USDT or any type of coin from Binance to any wallet you want to transfer it to. So if you want to do this, it's very simple step we are going to take. Okay, like in my previous video, I show you how you can buy coin through P2P trading. Okay, that's the previous one. If you don't that one, rush now and watch it so that you will understand what you are doing. So today we are going to transfer USDT to our Bitbank account. Okay, we are going to transfer it to Bitbank account. So that's what you are going to do right now. Okay, once you are here, the only thing you need to do is just to go to this wallet. Okay, once you are, I believe that everybody have their Binance account set up. Okay, if you don't know how to set up your Binance account, you can follow my description below. You can get yourself in Binance, sign up and do your KYC, know your customer, so that you can benefit from this that I'm teaching right here. So let's go. You click on wallet. Okay, this is wallet. You click on wallet. Once you're in wallet, you can search for the particular coin you want to transfer. Okay, you can search for it here. You can search for it. Okay, once you click on search, you can, if you want to search for USDT, you search for USDT. If you want to search for AAVE, you can do that. Any coin that you want to search for, that's the main reason of search here, search button here. So here we have our USDT at the top, and I have 17.41 USDT. Okay, $17.41. Okay, that's what I have here. So the next thing we are going to do, as you can see at the top, you see deposit, you see withdrawal, you see transfer. Okay, we are going to make use of withdrawal because we are going to transfer our USDT to another wallet. That's what we are about to do right now. So click on withdrawal. So once you click on withdrawal, okay, you will click on USDT. Then as you can see, what they ask you here, withdrawal send via crypto network, or you can send via email/phone/ID. Okay, but in our own situation, we are going to make use of the first one. We click on this one. Okay, so before you do any transfer, before you transfer to anybody, you should know this particular thing that I'm about to teach you right here. You ask the person about the network that you want to send this USDT to, whether it's BNB Smart Chain, okay, BEP20, or the second one or the third one, or Solana, anything, okay, so that you will know exactly the network you are sending your coin to. Okay, so in our case, we are going to send it to TRC20. That's what we are going to send this USDT to. So let's go back to our Bitbank, okay, so that you can understand everything the way it is. So this is my Bitbank. If you are yet to register to Bitbank, you need to rush now and register to Bitbank, okay, so that you can enjoy this, because I want us to win together. So once you are here in Bitbank, the next thing you are going to do is just to go to this wallet. Okay, go to wallet, click on wallet. Okay, once you click on wallet, you can see something like transfer here. This is what you are looking for. We need to recharge our wallet. Okay, you click on recharge. Okay, you will see our wallet here. This is my wallet. You copy yours, and once you copy yours, you go back to Binance. Hope you are getting what I'm teaching you right now. It's very simple. You can do this with any wallet you want to transfer this money to. It's not only Bitbank. Okay, so after selecting this TRC20, here wallet address, you paste the wallet address we copy from Bitbank. This is it. Then the amount that you want to send to your Bitbank, that's the next one. After putting your network, okay, the next thing is amount. So let's say I want to withdraw 10 USDT. Okay, I want to withdraw 10 USDT. That's the amount I want to withdraw right now. So after that, the next thing is spending from. Okay, you tell them the account you want to spend it from, maybe from funding wallet. But in previous video, I teach you how you can send your fund from funding wallet to spot wallet. Okay, so that's why this one gets here. So this is from Spot Wallet. We click on Spot Wallet and confirm. Okay. So the next thing we are going to do is withdrawal. So the person will get 9.2. So I just want it to be like, let me do it 11 so that the receiver will get 10.2. Okay. Because those people will take fee of 0.8 USDT. That's their fee. Okay. Network fee. So 0.8. That's the thing. So we click on withdrawal. So once you click on withdrawal, you need to pay attention on this particular thing so that you won't make any mistake. I don't want anybody to make any mistake. Here you see address, you check your address to confirm that the address is the same. Then this is network TRC20. You need to confirm it from the person that you want to send it to. You ask the person about the address. So the source is Spot Wallet. That's where my coin based on. So here is coin you want to send is USDT. Okay, amount is 11 and the network fee is 0.8 USDT. That's the network fee. All right, you click on confirm. We are making progress. Okay, please keep smashing that subscription button because what I'll be giving you is something that will help you make it in life. Okay, we're upgrading to new method on how to make money. So once you are here, the next thing we are going to do is to get verification code. Okay, to before Binance will proceed the transaction, we need to verify that this is truly our account. Okay, we click on get code. We wait for the code to arrive. Okay, this is the code. We paste it here. Then we get email verification also, very important. Then we go to our email address to get the verification. Okay, this is the code. We copy it. This is it. This is it. We copy it and go back. Okay, then we paste it and confirm it. Wow, can you see that? We have successfully transferred, withdraw 11 USDT. Okay, that's how it works. Hope everybody understand what I'm doing here. Okay, you can view the history and we are waiting for it to arrive in our Bitbank account. This is how you can do it. I'm going to invest more on Bitbank because Bitbank is a platform that will make us a lot of money. Okay, please, before you do anything, make sure you verify, do more research. Okay, what I do here is that I teach you. This is for educational purpose. I'm not a financial advisor. Okay, so whatever you are doing, make sure you research very well. And I want us to make this money together. You can join my WhatsApp group. Okay, you can join my WhatsApp group so that you can keep getting more updates concerning Bitbank. Okay, because that's the reason why I created that group. So this is how the transaction goes. So we are going to go to our Bitbank. Okay, we are going to our Bitbank to check if the money arrived. Wow, can you see that? 10.2. That's the money we recharge from Binance. Okay, that's the money we recharge. Can you see that? So what next after recharging these accounts? The next thing is to make that money. This is just for example. You can recharge $100 here, and the more you recharge is the more you make money. So after that, the next thing we are going to do is to click on this and we make money. Here is once you invest, you can invest in 3 days and you get 9% commission. And in that 3 days, they will give you your money, your capital, and also give you your profit in 9 days. And this is what you will be getting every 3 days. This is what you will be getting 9% of any investment you made here. Okay, the plan B, the 3 days also, and this one you get also 9 USDT. That's the amount you will be getting. Okay, this one is 100 days. 100 days, you get 156%. 156% of your $100 investment. If you invest $100 here, this very one, if you invest $100 in this very one, you'll be getting 156%. And this is something that you will not be doing. This is something that the robot here will be doing for you, trading for you, giving you your capital and also giving you your profit. Okay, this is the reason why I love this particular. Okay, if you have something like 1000 USDT, you'll be getting 180% of 1000 USDT in 100 days. Okay, this is instead of keeping your money in bank and you are not making any money from it. It's better to trade it so that you can make a lot of money trading it. Okay, that's the reason why I recommend this to you. If you want to make that money, if you want to make that real money, this is an opportunity to do that. It's not more that you will start with $100, $200, or $1000. You can start with only 10 USDT. Okay, you can start with $10 and you make a lot of money here. Okay, let me say you keep getting 9% every 33 days. Every 33 days, you keep making 9% every 33 days. Do you know that in 1 month, do you know how much you will be making in a month? And once you are getting more money, you keep investing it in this platform. This platform is a platform that will help a lot of people in future. So I want you to make this money with me. Okay, this one is for a day. Okay, if you want to, you'll be getting 0.5% to 0.8% every day if you want to do this one. And this one is 10 USDT. That's the amount you will be investing. Okay, that's the amount you will be investing. So you can see 15 days. 15 days is 15% to 18% for 15 days. That's 100 USDT. So I don't see any reason why you can do it if you have if you have BBT. Okay, if you have BBT, that's their coin. If you have their coin, the next thing you are going to do, you can use their coin to trade. Okay, if you have like 30,000 BBT, you are good to go. If you have like 15 if you have like 20,000 BBT, you are good to go also. This is Ethereum. If you have Ethereum, you can make use of it. Okay, also make use of BTC to trade here. That's the reason why I say that this is the best app for now. Okay, this is, if you have Tron also, you can use it to trade here. So it's not only USDT that you can trade here. So that's the thing. So always remember to, once you are in this platform, always remember to visit your welfare every day. Welfare every day. Click on welfare. Once you click on welfare, you'll be getting 10 USDT every day. Okay. Once you click on check-in, you will get your 10 USDT every day till 31 days. And that's a month. You keep doing it in second month. And with the research I did in May 2023, this coin will officially be launched in Binance. Okay, that's when you will be getting one BBT. So I want you to, be among the first people that will make a lot of money with this website. So I want to teach you how you can trade. Okay, how you can trade on this platform once you get your account credited or recharged. Okay, let me show you how you can recharge. Let me show you how you can make money with it. So you click on this N. Okay, and this N, you need to go, if you have like 100 USDT, you can go for all these ones. Okay, but if you don't have up to 100 USDT, what you need to do is just to click on this particular one, USDT. That second one, you click on that, and once you click on that, you click on one. Okay, the first one, that's 0.5% to 0.8%. That's for 100 USDT. Okay, then we click the amount 100, then transaction password. Okay, can you see what I do here? So you click confirm. Successful. It's now running. Can you see that? It's now running, and I'll get my 0.2. Okay, I'll get 0.5%. Okay, and this is just in a day. That's the amount that I'll get. Okay. So if you check my available balance here, you will know that I only have 0.2. Okay, because total assets USDT is 10.2. Okay, so I'm trading 10 USDT right now. Okay, commission transaction USDT, you can see it here. That's this one. So thank you for your time. Thank you for everything. If you have any question, kindly drop it in comment below and tell me what you love about this video. If you want me to do more, you need to encourage me by liking this video, subscribing to this channel, and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. And be the first person to watch simply mean that you'll be the first person to make money with this my strategy. Peace out.